we'll guide you through how to get Namecheap Black Friday deals. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website by typing www.namecheap.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, keep an eye out for their Black Friday banner or landing page, which usually highlights all the available deals and promotions. These banners are typically quite prominent on the homepage during the Black Friday period. Click on the banner to explore the deals. You'll find discounts on domain registrations, web hosting, SSL certificates, and more. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of each offer, as some discounts might require a minimum purchase or be limited to new customers only. To make a purchase, simply click on the deal you're interested in. For instance, if it's a domain discount, search for your desired domain, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. At checkout, confirm that the discount has been applied. Sometimes, you might need to enter a promo code, which is usually provided alongside the deal details. If you want to ensure you don't miss out on any deals, consider signing up for Namecheap's newsletter, as they'll often send alerts about upcoming promotions and exclusive offers. Also, following their social media accounts can give you a heads up on flash sales or limited-time offers. Remember, Black Friday deals can sell out quickly, so it's a good idea to act fast once you find a deal you like. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.